How to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. One of the ways to make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. And to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to promote your link so people will see it and buy from it. It's sad to know that as of this era, most content creators believe that only content creation alone can make them rich. And that is not true. One thing you should know about all these influencers and big content creators you see on social media is that they don't make all their money from content creation alone. 50% of their earnings come from affiliate marketing. That is when you see all these big content creators like Sabino, Sigitoka, Mark Angel Comedy, and many others promoting on their social medias, on their content, saying that you should click on the link or use their promo code. And when you use their promo code, you will get paid for it. But the truth you have to know about this is that for anybody that click on those links or use their promo code, they get paid for it, which in affiliate marketing is known as commission. So you can see that most content creators are also affiliate marketers. In this video, I'll be reviewing 5 things you need to consider before promoting any link on your social media, because you don't just go there and post any link and promote any affiliate, especially as a YouTuber, so that your channel won't get banned. There are some specific links you have to promote and some that you don't have to promote. So in this video, I'll be reviewing 5 things you need to know and consider before promoting any link on your YouTube channel. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. My name is Solo Wise. For those of you that don't know me, and in this channel, I teach about content creation, how to grow your YouTube channel, and also how to make money through your content creation. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, that means you are mixing a lot, because in this channel, I teach what I know. Yes, anything that I learn, I come here to teach, because I am not staging with my knowledge. Yes, I also teach so that my audience can also learn from it. So if you are not yet subscribed, you are missing a lot. Why don't you subscribe to this channel? Yes, subscribe, like this video, and also share the video. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. You are a returning viewer, you are welcome. I really appreciate. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe, like the video, and also share the video. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Number one thing you need to consider before promoting any affiliate link on your channel is authenticity. Yes, you need to make sure that the kind of product you are promoting is actually working. Yes, because your audience will trust you before actually buying from you. What if they can't buy the product from you and see that it's not working? So then you are actually losing their trust. You have to make sure that your product is actually working. If need be, you can buy that product yourself and try test it out to know that yes, it's actually working, so that they won't see you as a scammer. Because if they actually see you as a scammer, they must start reporting you to different social media, reporting your account, or even probably go and report it to VDM. So you have to make sure that your product, kind of product you are selling, is actually authentic and it actually serves the purpose which it says it's going to serve. Number two is audience importance and value. Yes, you have to know the kind of audience you have on your channel. Yes, you have to do a thorough check on your channel and know the kind of audience you have on your channel. Yes, what will they actually buy? Yes, because you can't be promoting a product about agriculture on a tech channel, they won't buy, or promoting a product about tech on a food channel or cookie channel, they won't buy, because that is not actually what the audience on that channel actually wants. Yes, imagine this my channel, I can only promote products about graphic design, video editing, YouTube channel growth, and people will buy, because that is the kind of audience I have on this channel. So you have to study your channel and know the kind of audience you have on your channel before promoting any link on your channel. Number three is value of product. Yes, before you sell a product, you have to know the kind of value that product have. Yes, before you promote any product, know that yes, this product have this kind of value. This is what this product is going to serve. Yes, before you promote it. Yes, so know that this product, once I promote it, it's not going to harm people. Yes, if anything that this product is not good for you, actually explain the product to your audience so that they know what this product work for before they buy it from you. Number four is geographical location. Different geographical location have different things that they need. There are different things you can promote in Nigeria and people will buy, and you can take it to US, promote, people will not buy. Why? Because of the geographical location. So you have to study your channel and know, yes, this kind of people I have on my channel, this is what they would like to buy here, this country they are from, this is the area they are from here, and study those areas, what these people actually buys. What does these people do on? Yes, because in Nigeria you can actually sell products like clothing, skincare, food supplements, and people will buy. Why? Because that is what Nigeria actually buy most, spend most of their money on because they are consumers. So you have to study the geographical location of your channel, of the people in your channel before you can sell products to them, so that you won't just go there and promote your products and people will eventually not buy. Number five is your commission. Your commission is the main reason why you are doing affiliate marketing. Yes, you want to make money from it. That is your commission. Most affiliate platforms have different commission that they pay their affiliate marketers. Some will tell you 50-50, some tell you 40-60, different years commission that they pay their user, their affiliate marketers. So the kind of product you are promoting and the kind of platform you are using determine the kind of commission you are going to get paid. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and you can make money more from affiliate marketing, I have a course on affiliate marketing. I've been using this course for 2 years now and it has actually been working. This course is not going to teach you only about affiliate marketing, it's going to teach you how you can promote your links, how you can create a website for free. Yes, this course is everything. So if you want to get that course, go to the link in the description and you are going to see the link to get to the course. You can get that course and actually learn from it to know how you can promote your affiliate marketing, how you can start your affiliate marketing and make money from it. And if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube without monetization, yes, other ways to make money on YouTube without monetization, click the video that will be shown right now and I'm going to take you on my video on how you can make money on YouTube without monetization. Let's go.